going to the track tomorrow. So we're doing a little bike maintenance today. We have Alex working on taking off the throttle tube. We're going to put new grips on. Got new bars because they were bent. Hairspray is a good lubrication.
That's not the one you had. I think you dropped it over. The one that's on its side.
Wash the air filter, so I need you to fill up a bucket. Oh, yeah, I need you to fill up a bucket anyway.
Of what? Water?
Yeah, and some. In the laundry room, can you get? Yeah, in the laundry room there's buckets, and grab an empty one. And that's clean too.
I need to fetch a pail of water up the hill.
Yeah. Clean it. I'm gonna clean the air filter. See, it's dirty. You can see that. And Alex is filling up the bucket with some water, cleaning it out first. So yeah. We got the easy up. Got all three of the bikes. It's gonna be good.